Not sure if this is the right tool for the job, but anyhow, I can just make a slight cut here. Be very careful, because I believe this is my Kingston solid state drive. So again, I have to be very careful. I don't want to be bouncing and just jerking this thing, because these things are very fragile. But what is this? I see some papers in here. Let me pull this out to the frame. Yes. As you can tell from the ruffling papers, this would be my 500GB UV500 SSD mSATA. It does not say Kingston here, but obviously, as you can tell from that description, it's none other than simply that. I got this off of Newegg through Telezi Online Sales Corporation, 7451 Nelson Road, Richmond, British Columbia. Why am I reading that unnecessary information? I don't know, because I was just there and I just felt like reading it. That's why. I know, kind of lame. Where's this thing? Okay. Wow. What how small these things are? Hold on a second. I'll bring in the frame soon. It's just that I need to make sure there's nothing personal on it or whatever. So, no, it's nothing personal. Okay, alright. So I can bring it in the frame now. So, well, I don't know. Maybe some of these numbers are personal. Actually, nah. It's probably what all of them just come with. So, it's assembled in Taiwan. Probably designed wherever Kingston is based. It sounds like an American company. If not American, probably British. But yeah, I'm glad that it is here so I can give this guy, you can't see him because the camera is pointing downwards, but I'm pointing at my Dell Inspiron 2350 because he could definitely do for this thing. I've been running him for, 5 years? I mean, he's still working well and all, but he could do for a performance boost. Definitely. So that's why I got this, and I also have a 2TB hard drive for him on the way. So combined, it should be almost 2.5 terabytes into that guy. And then for my Dell XPS 7760 over there, he already has a solid state drive. Obviously, it's not mSATA because mSATA is now is it defunct? That's the right word to describe it. Let's just say that I don't think any computer manufacturers are using these type of solid state drives anymore. Like if you have like an older laptop or whatever, you know what I'm getting at. That you'll probably have this, but from most newer computers, you're going to be using different ones. Like I believe the 2.5ers and some other NV something something. I don't remember the exact term from the top of my head. But again, you people that are well versed in this type of thing will know exactly what I'm getting at. Just glad to finally have this guy. Now, the nice thing I like with the Dell brand is that they have very detailed guides, and then of course there's the tech support that's actually really easy to reach, by the way. So there's plenty of guidance and tools and tips on getting this thing installed, so that is not my concern. But what might be my concern is the screws. Oh, actually, no, the screws are not my concern because I did an unboxing not too long ago that had the screws. So I just need to make sure that the hard drive will actually be in good condition and that it'll actually fit. Actually, yeah, I think that's actually my biggest concern about this whole upgrading thing for this Inspiron 2350. Will it fit? Like, I mean, what it's using right now is what you call a solid state hybrid drive. That one they said is, I think, 9.3 millimeters thick, even though the computer technically says that it can only take 7 millimeters. But sometimes I think that those numbers are just off because even for my 7760, it's the same thing they said, only to find that apparently some users are reporting that they can even put drives as thick as like 13 and 15 millimeters thick. Again, I don't know how true this is, so don't take this word as gospel, but it's just what some of these users are saying. As for the Inspiron 2350, it's safe to say, well, I guess it's maybe 99% safe to say that hard drives that are 9.3 millimeters can fit inside. Obviously, this is not a hard drive here. Why am I talking about hard drives? Because I was talking about upgrades or whatever, so the subject just came up. Anyways, let's put this guy down now. Now, there was a vendor on Amazon that had these. I think they went by the name iSanic, but the reason why I decided to go to Newegg because Kingston actually has Newegg as one of their, did I say Newegg? Newegg as one of their official vendors. And then Talisi had some really good reviews, so I figured that, hey, I'll just get it through them. Although lots of people are happy with it through Amazon, I just decided to get it through Newegg. Oh yeah, by the way, if you're interested in getting it through Amazon, if you had good experiences, do also comment on that because you can also help other people out. Should I post a link to it to Amazon? I don't know. I probably will, but if you want to get it from Newegg, that's also perfectly fine because I got mine from Newegg. And now I guess I should just put this down now, shut up, shower, and go to bed because the time I'm recording this is... Actually, I don't even want to say it. I just need to get to bed.